show you how to download and install WinRAR. So let us start. First of all, open your browser and here in google.com click here WinRAR, download and enter. The first link you see here, WinRAR download free. Open it. Here you can see the WinRAR 6.11 and you can see the two versions here, buy WinRAR and download WinRAR. This one is free, download WinRAR. Click here. Now it shows you that buy WinRAR again, but you have to click here, continue to download WinRAR. Click here. Now here you can see it's downloading. Now it shows that now get free WinRAR support for 40 days. Now click here and click install. And now you can see there are different options. Keep it as default and click OK. And you are done. Now the WinRAR has been installed on your computer on Windows 11. Now you can use this WinRAR for compressing any file or folder or extracting file or folder. For example, let us see here we have here a file, WinRAR file, compressed file. Here you can see this file is a compressed file. Let me extract it by right clicking on it, and here you can see extract all. Click on it and keep as it is default the location. You can see the documents and the folder will be the same name, publication, and click OK. Extract, click extract. Now you can see the files inside this folder. Again we can also compress this. We can right click on it and compress to zip file. See, it has compressed this folder to this WinRAR. This was all about how to download and install WinRAR, and I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.